What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the B23 Financial Academy. We hope all of our videos have found you well thus far. This will be video 1 in our market structure Forex series, in which we will try our best to simplify or further enhance your knowledge regarding how prices move and various structures within the Forex markets. So this will be a theoretical video, and then video 2, we will go to a live chart to kind of grasp everything we are going to cover here in video 1. So I'm going to start with bullish market structure, and then I'm going to go to bearish market structure. So on the diagram on the left, you have this zigzag pattern thingy. I'm going to explain that and how it relates to the market now. So whenever price is going up or price is in an uptrend, price will make a series of higher highs and high lows. Example, we started off here, price made a movement up and formed a high. This right here is a high. Let me just make it a bit smaller. I think 14 should be fine. Color, let's make it green. All right. Price formed a high. Price then dropped down to form a low. Price then formed a low, right? Then price further went up and formed what we call a higher high. It's called a higher high because it's higher than this high. It's higher than the previous high. So this is called a higher high. HH for high high. Price then drops down and forms a higher low. Price then forms a higher low because this low is higher than this low. Price then moves up again and forms a higher high. Why? Because this high is higher than this high. Price then reverses or retraces and forms another higher low because this low is higher than this low. Price then moves up and forms another higher high because this high is higher than this high. I think that's pretty repetitive. I think everyone gets that now. And then what happens? This is an example of a trending market, or when price is in an uptrend. Price will make a series of higher highs and higher lows until a higher low gets intercepted or broken. Until we have, hold up, I just want to change the color to, let's make it blue. Until we have this situation here, when a higher low gets intercepted, that signals the potential end of the uptrend. Let me just type this in here. Uptrend is valid until an uptrend is valid until the high low gets broken. Let me just fix this. I'm good with that text. All right. Then let me just change the color. Let me make it black. All right. An uptrend is valid until a higher low gets broken. Once price breaks through this higher low, it then signals the potential end of the uptrend, meaning most likely, or in most cases, okay, I think black is fine. In most cases, you then have price do something like that. Hold up. You have price do something like that, and then further drop down, signaling the end of the uptrend. It's just an example. Once the high low gets broken like this signals that the uptrend is potentially finished or done. That's a bullish uptrend or bullish market structure. This is basic. Now we're going to switch to a bearish trend or bearish market structure. All right. In a bearish market, price will make a series of, let me just type this in text. Where are you? All right. Price will make a low. It's just the opposite. Change color to red. Okay, it's already underlined. Price will make a low, a high, a lower low. Why? This low is lower than this one. Hope that makes sense. This low is lower than this one. And then this would be a lower high. This would be a lower high because this low, this high is lower than this high, excuse me. This high is lower than this high. And then price will continue to drop down to form another lower low. Price will then reverse and move up to form another lower high. Why is it a lower high? This high is lower than this one. Then price will drop down to form another lower low. And then we have the same phenomena. Let me just change this to here. And then once a lower high gets broken or intercepted, it signals the potential end of the downtrend. Where should I type this? Can you type it here? Downtrend is valid until a lower high gets broken, just the opposite of the uptrend. All right. Let me just modify this. Color red. Yeah. So once the lower high gets broken, it signals the potential end of the downtrend. How price breaks it and the different variations of how it gets broken will be discussed in video 2. This was just the theoretical aspects of it. I hope we simplified market structure. I hope it makes sense. And yeah, I hope video 2 will just build on what we've made now. So please leave a like on the video, subscribe if you're new. It's been Mr. B23 signing out.